Every once in a while, technology doesn't just improve life, it changes the dimension you live in. That's what electric flight does. I'm Heather Chirtea, the nation's first female flying car owner and pilot, and I have had the rare privilege of stepping into that shift early. Not as an observer, but as an actual practitioner. What we're seeing right now isn't a concept or a distant promise. It's the early phase of a very real shift in transportation. Electric vertical flight is finally moving out of stealth development and into everyday life. And once you experience it, it reframes how you think about distance, time, and even geography. As the earliest flying car pilots, my team has been demonstrating emerging technologies to the public and translating that future into something people can actually see and touch and understand. And that's really the point. Because this next chapter of transportation isn't just about vehicles. It's about systems. It's about how we move through cities, across regions, and through environments like Lake Tahoe, where land and water and air all intersect in a very real way. And that's why the Lake Tahoe Electric Transportation Forum matters. It brings together people who are thinking very seriously about what comes next. And not just in theory, but in practice. We're right now at the stage where flying coast to coast in an electric aircraft is no longer a question of if, but how soon. And my team is actively working towards that milestone. Not as a stunt, but as a signal of what's possible. Because the most surprising part of all isn't the technology. It's how quickly it stops feeling like the future and it starts feeling inevitable. And once you've seen it, and I mean really seen it, there's no going back. The future doesn't belong to the cautious. It belongs to anyone courageous enough to build it.